in this pot I'm growing one little plant community. Normally I don't like to grow individual plants in individual pots. I like to make little communities of them. That is, those that are compatible and all you find and create the niche for them. And this is one of the plant that I come across recently, and it's flowered. It's one of that cyanoitis or Commelina. Someone said it's Transandia or one more species is a similar one, allied. So I couldn't get correct ID. But it has all the features of that Commelina species. That is, the leaf shape, and then that flower pod, that also is very similar to Commelina species, and cyanotis, one of them. I think it has 3 petals. And it takes a little bit of a that shape is from that one base spreading sideways like that, and then apparently the flowering season has started now. And this is the first time I am seeing it. Species name, identity and all, I couldn't get so far. Whatever it is, I found it to be a delightful little species. And surprisingly easy to grow also. That's a nice part. I thought it may be one of those delicate things. It's spreading also nicely. In these plant communities, you have to periodically weed them. Undesirable things come. So here I got some few other things also. One Portulaca which is not doing well. It's getting bothered by too much water, I think. This is one of the tuberous type of Portulaca. Then this is one of that Commelina only, another one. It is flowered also here. So it's such a complex family, and so many of this Commelina and all are there. It's impossible for a lay person like me to say with any authority about the species and all. So this one looks like this. That's the second Commelina species I got growing in this pot. And it is more vigorous and wider spreading than that first one what I showed. This one. This is a more spreading plant. This one is much little but otherwise similar. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರು ಇದು ಆಯಿತಾ. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಇದೆಯಂತ. ನಮ್ಮಂಥವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಅದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಜಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಎಲೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ನೋಡು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು. ಇದು ಕೊಮೆಲಿನ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸಿಂದೆ ಕೆಲವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು. ನೀನು ಅದರದ್ದು ಆ ಎಲೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಭಾಗ, ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ಕಪ್ಪು ಶೇಪು, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಎಲೆ ಈ ಥರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದು ಆಯಿತಾ. ಹೂವು ಕೂಡ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಿಂಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೂ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಮೆಲಿನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಮೆಲಿನ ಥರನೇ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಹೊಸ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸು, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸು, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸು. ಒಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು 10 ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೇ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣದು.